Are you looking for the best front and rear dash cam? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best front and rear dash cam on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, VANTRUE N4 3-channel dash cam. The VANTRUE N4 3-channel dash cam is a versatile triple-channel camera designed to monitor the front, inside, and rear of your vehicle simultaneously, offering a front camera with 155 degrees field of view, an inside camera with 165 degree FOV and infrared night vision, and a rear camera with 160 degree FOV and a 20-foot extension cable. It supports multiple recording modes, including front and rear dual recording at 4K in front, plus 1080p rear, and front plus interior plus rear at 1440p plus 1440p plus 1080p, ensuring clear capture of license plates and cabin activity. Powered by a heat-resistant supercapacitor, the camera can withstand extreme temperatures from 10 degrees to 70 degrees and supports 24-hour parking mode through motion or collision detection when hardwired. Additional features include loop recording, G-sensor impact detection, a 2.45 IPS LCD, and optional GPS tracking. While the N4 provides comprehensive coverage and strong low-light performance, thanks to Sony Starvis sensors, it lacks Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connectivity, which means footage must be accessed via the SD card, and full parking mode requires additional hardwiring. Overall, it is well-suited for rideshare drivers or anyone seeking complete vehicle monitoring, combining high-resolution recording, infrared interior capture, and durable construction in a single package. Number 2. WOLFBOX G840S. The WOLFBOX G840S 1212 4K mirror. Dash Cam is a smart rear-view mirror dash camera that combines a large 12-inch touchscreen display with 4K by 2160p front-facing video and a 1080p rear camera, providing wide 170 degrees and 140 degrees fields of view, respectively. It supports 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, so you can connect to your phone using the WOLFBOX app for live viewing and file transfer, and it includes an external GPS antenna to overlay speed and location on recorded footage. The camera has good night vision thanks to WDR or HDR and a 6-glass lens, and it features a supercapacitor for better heat tolerance. It also supports 24-hour parking monitoring via time-lapse, though you'll need a hardwire kit, loop recording, and a G-sensor for impact detection. Users generally praise its image clarity, especially in the day and at night, but some report issues like Wi-Fi connectivity problems, occasional boot-up quirks, cable installation challenges, or even mirror vibration in some vehicles. Number 3. ROVE R3 Dash Cam. The ROVE R3 is a 3-channel dash cam with a 3 IPS touchscreen, capable of recording simultaneously from the front cabin and rear of your vehicle. The front camera records in 1440p at 30 FPS, while both the cabin and rear cameras capture 1080p at 30 FPS, giving you comprehensive coverage. It features dual-band Wi-Fi, 5 GHz plus 2.4 GHz, for fast video transfer, up to 30 ms, via the ROVE app on your phone. The built-in quad-mode GPS logs your speed, location, and orientation in the video. For power, it uses a supercapacitor, making it more heat-resistant than battery-based dash cams. There's also a 24-hour parking monitor using G-sensor, loop recording, and voice guidance, plus IR night vision, 4 hidden IR LEDs for the cabin camera. It supports up to 512 GB microSD Class 10 U3 for long recording times. Number 4. PRUVEEO Dash Cam. The PRUVEEO D30H is a dual-channel dash cam that records both front and cabin views. In its dual mode, both cameras can capture in 1080p at 35 fps, while in single-channel mode, the front camera can record in 2160p 4K at 24 fps. Each lens has a wide 150-degree field of view, giving a combined coverage of around 300 degrees, minimizing blind spots. The camera is equipped with a 2.0-inch LCD, making menu navigation and previewing easier. For night driving, the cabin camera has an f1.8 aperture and 4 infrared LEDs, enabling clear footage even in very low light. Number 5. iiwey Dash Cam. The iiwey T1 Dash Cam is a budget-friendly 3-channel camera that records simultaneously from the front, rear, and cabin of your vehicle, providing comprehensive coverage for cars, taxis, or rideshare services. The front and cabin cameras capture 1080p at 30 fps with a 150-degree wide-angle lens, while the rear camera is waterproof and mounts outside the vehicle. The dashcam features IR night vision for low-light interior recording, loop recording, and a G-sensor that automatically locks footage in the event of a collision. It includes a 64 GB micro SD card, a 2-inch LCD for setup and preview, and uses WDR's HDR technology to improve image quality in high-contrast conditions. For 24-hour parking monitoring, it requires a hardwire kit. While it offers good coverage for its price, some users report limited video quality for the rear camera, occasional SD card errors, lack of GPS logging, and weaker mounting reliability, making it suitable mainly for basic vehicle monitoring rather than high-detail recording.